Hi there, my name is Charles Minette. I'm the Product Design Director at Monitor Audio. I'm here at the ISE show in Amsterdam presenting a couple of new products. The first of which is the IA40-3 amplifier. It's a discrete amplifier for small room applications where running into the main system isn't really feasible. So it is a 40 watt amplifier into 3 channels or 60 watts into 2. Primarily it can work with devices like our passive soundbar range, which is a 3-channel passive soundbar. It's got built-in Dolby audio, as well as a optical input, a Bluetooth input, and an analog input. So it's now got a nice diverse set of applications. You can use it either with your TV, with a soundbar, or maybe in-ceiling stereo or 3-channel. And yeah, it's designed to be as practical as possible for compact installations. For instance, we can strap it behind TVs, put it in corners or straight onto the wall. It comes pre-packaged with different bracket solutions. So it comes with these foldable brackets, which can be snapped off as to how you need to use them. So you can use it as a right angle, straight onto the wall. It's got multiple holes, so you can use cable tie, strap it to your back of your TV or back of an AV cabinet. Yeah, so it should be really useful for those installations where big racks aren't really practical in the room. Yeah, so you can find out more information at monitoraudio.com.